I wasn't confident in my designs as a designer. I'm self-taught, so I'm like, what do you want? And I'll make it.
What is up, guys? Danny O here with ApparelWin. We are with the one and only Cho, aka Utopia.
Utopia, let's get it.
Oh,
Danny O.
We met 5 years ago in Hollywood, random, and seeing your whole process from where you started until now is absolutely insane. So if you can give a little touch up on where you started, what you're doing now.
What's poppin'? So my name is Cho. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I used to be an accountant, full-time career type, and I hated that lifestyle, so I was getting my clothes tailored by my dad's company. This is the random thing that's like luck. So you get a little sprinkle of luck, but you still have to go for it. So I'm getting my clothes tailored, and like they're doing it for free, but then after a while, they're just like, no, we'll just teach you how to do it. So that's how I started sewing, and then I found this whole random new craft that I never knew I cared about, sewing, and I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna move to LA and really go for it. And that's exactly what I did, and I'm going to everyone. That's how we met. Immediately, I'll make you something.
I know.
The MCM bag.
I still have it. I have it to this day, bro. Cho made me a custom one-of-one MCM bag. I'll show it to you.
So basically, it was how I started doing that was like, I wasn't confident in my designs as a designer. I'm self-taught, so I'm like, what do you want? And I'll make it. And that's how it grew. And the whole upcycling thing that I still do to this day, it all was birthed from that. And so, in a nutshell, that's my story, but it's much deeper and longer, ups and downs, but you get it.
So Cho makes everything from scratch, and then he also repurposes stuff. So if you come closer, these are made out of shoes.
Shoes.
This is made out of Air Force One, and it's a bag. Show them the hardware if you want to.
Bag from the bag, from the tongue, from the shoe. This is the back heel of the shoe, the Nike Air Force One. We're in it. And then some of the other things, this is what I'm going to work with ApparelWin for eventually. These are some pants. They are made from this jacket.
Wow.
So I cut up all the squares, I do all the sewing, all the pleats, and then I put them together. And then these, what I have on right now, is made from this jacket.
Insane.
So this part is right here.
Repurpose and recycle. But Cho wants to work with us to literally bring samples to life, and I know we can do that.
Yeah, so I can do the samples myself, but now it's time to, what up, bro? Now it's time to flip it, because the problem is there's a ceiling. No matter how much work I do, I can only put out so much. So it's time to deviate myself from that, relinquish some of what I got going on to someone else to help me out.
Amazing. Next question, what do you think is your biggest challenge, just like breaking into the fashion industry?
Oh, creating an identity and connecting. I don't think it's a challenge, but that's the first biggest hurdle, is finding your identity as a brand. How can it resonate with people? Because it doesn't matter the shit that you're making, really. People make amazing stuff all over the world, but something that resonates with people, the brand, that's like way aside from the actual stuff you make. So that is important as well, but creating that identity, that cohesion for people to resonate with is the biggest thing.
Last question, word of advice for people wanting to start a brand, to get into fashion, what would you say to them?
There's so many things. For starters, enough dreaming. That's important. You have to literally just do it. You get your hands wet, you're gonna make hella mistakes, take hella L's, but I don't even consider them L's. And with what I do a lot early on, I'm doing stuff for free. I'm doing stuff for low prices because I'm trying. I'm figuring shit out. Never say no. He says, bro, I want you to make me something 10 feet tall. Never say no. You might mess up your prices with that because how much? You don't even know. But never say no, because then you're learning all these new things.
Just do it.
Through the process.
Where are you based out of currently right now?
I'm in Los Angeles, California, DTLA. Your boy, holla at me.
Let's go. Shout out Utopia. Also have a local showroom in Hollywood, LA. You have to come check out.
I actually do. Yes, this isn't even for the camera. Let's do it.
Let's do it. No, for real.
Danny O.
Logging out. Cho, Utopia.
Appreciate y'all.